Today we are going to start routing. So in routing, what we have to understand, जैसे let's suppose I have a navigation bar that contains home, about us, contacts. So when I will switch from home to contact, then my page should not reload. Without loading, I should switch from one page to another page. So it is called routing in Angular. So I'm going to make you clear with a page. See this one, and let's suppose I have a header or a navigation bar that contains contact us, about, and home. So if you want to switch from home to about, or home to contact, about to home, about to contact, and so on, then your page should not load. Means you should switch from one page to another page without reloading of the page. Okay, so this concept is called routing. So we are going to implement it. Before going to implementation part, we will understand this one, theoretical portion that will help to understand the flow of the implementation that occurs in your program. So actually, first of all, what we will do, we will create a navigation bar within the app.component.html file, and this navigation bar will consist of home, about, and contact us. So first of all, we will create a home component that will contain these files: home.component.html, home.component.css.ts, and .spec.ts. Uh, we don't have to focus right now. And similarly, we will create second component, and it will also contain these files, these four files. Similarly, I will create three components, and all the components will contain these files. Okay, so actually what we have to do in routing, let's suppose I am uh, right now I am on home page and I want to switch from home to about. So I will have need of a path. So I have written a path here, path equals to about, and if I want to go from home to about, similarly I will do a path equals to contact. So we will discuss all this theoretical portion in implementation. Okay, so I am going to make it clear with the implementation portion. So I will do all the content and implementation, or we are going to do in VS Code. So first of all, what we have to do, we will create four components, that is home component, about component, and contact component. So let's go. So what I will write here, I will use a command to create home component. So I will write ng generate means G, create means C, home component, right? So I will write home. So my home component will create. So waits for a while. Now it is created. Now I will create uh, about component and then contact component. So again I will write ng g create about. So my about component will create. So it has been created right now. So I will create one more component, that is uh, contact us. So ng create, sorry, generate means G, component, that is C, and my component name will have My the name of my component will be mm, contactors contact. Mm. So right now I have three components: home, about us, and contact. Okay. So we can see here about contact home. Okay. So all these will contain same file like about.component.css, about.component.html, spec.ts.ts. Similarly, contact will contain contact.component, contact component.html, contact component.ts, contact component.ts. Similarly, home will contain these four files as I have written here already. See these four files: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 in contact component, about component, and home components. Okay, so now I have completed my first step. So right now, one more thing I have to do. I will uh, create a navigation bar that will contain these pages: home, about, and contact us. So I will go to my PS Code. Right now, what I will do, I will go to my app.component.html file. Okay, or I can create one more file, means header.component.html file I can create. So, but right now I am going to use this one for the static content. So I will go to Bootstrap to get any navigation bar. So I will search here um, Bootstrap 5 navigation bar. I will select anyone from here. Mhm. Okay, I'm going to uh, get it. I can use this one also. So I will copy this code and I will paste it in app.component.html file. Okay, so I will remove this portion for now and I will paste the navigation bar components. Okay, uh, now I will check my output, it is working or not in my browser. So I will go to my CMD and I will write, let me open it again in CMD. So I will go for D Angular D routing app. I will open it in CMD and what I will write ng serve. That's it. I will redirect my application to the web browser. Generating browser application bundles. Wait for a while. So compiled successfully. I will copy this uh, URL from here, Ctrl+C, and I will paste it. Okay, it was already running. Yeah, hmm. It was already running. Alright, so I am going to remove this person, or I am going to change this one. Okay, so I will go here. Uh, will remove this one. Mhm. Okay, pricing home. I will change this one. I will write here contact contact us. Okay, and contact us home हो गया, and I will write here about ये हो गया. उसके बाद I am going to remove this one navbar. Navbar. I will remove this one. Okay, let's see the output. I get it. So for now, what I will do, I have to perform my routing operations. Okay. So for that, I will have to declare my paths to switch from one page to another page, means from home to about to contact, like this. So what I will have to do, I will go to my VS Code and I will go to the this file, web routing.modular.ts. What I will do in this file, I will declare my paths here for the components. Okay, so what I will do, so it's a array constant routes, and it's an array that will contain objects with the path. Okay, so what I will do here, I will write paths that will have value equals to means home. Okay, I am giving path. You can give whatever you want to give the path here, and bot is the name of my component. So the name of my component, let me check once. Home component, home. I have to go to check home map. Uh, Component name is home component. Okay, so home component I will write home component. Okay, I send this. home component. I don't have to write this one. Hmm. Hmm. It's the rare syntax. I was doing mistake in my syntax. Oh. Hmm. Got it. Second one, path equals to about, and component. I will copy this one. Contactless C, contact V, about, component. Oh, and one more I have this contact. Contact one. You can give any path here because right now you are declaring the path. You are giving the names to the path. Okay. I can write anything here. It is not defined that you have to write for home component home. You don't have to write for home component here. For means we can write anything here. I can write home one here, home two, home one two here. Anything whatever you want to write. Okay. But right now for simplicity I am writing this one. So component, home component, about component, and last one is contact component. Okay, so no need of comma. It will be small. No, it is okay. It's fine right now. Actually, contact component doesn't exist. Hmm. So it's done. I have declared my paths. So right now, what I have to do, I have to link these paths with my pages. So I will go to my app.component.html file and I will link here like Apple link, router link. I will use the attribute router link. Okay, so router link equals to home, home. Okay, sorry, it's about. Okay, okay, about. For home, I will write uh, router link equals to home backslash home, and for context here I will write router link equals to what? Router link equals to contact. Hmm. So this was my देखो देखो यहाँ पे चलते हैं हम्म, 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 routing फाइल कहाँ है ये रही तो ये रहा मेरा पाथ होम अबाउट ओ इसको मैंने होम दे दिया को कांटेक्ट कर देते हैं contact one okay so I will come back to app.component.html app.component.html so contact so it's my path okay so now I have give the path to my links on which I am going to perform a routing okay so right now what I have to do I have to go to my app.component.html file already I am here. And finally, I have to do one more thing. Uh, Actually, this app.component.html is containing navigation, okay, in Saturn. So, and I'm going means routing will perform, and if you want to get the output for those um, pages, means when you switch from one page to second page, so output of the second page should be visible uh, below the header. So for that you will have to use one tag, that is outerlet, not outerlet, outlet. Let me check. Router outlet, router outlet, router outlet. Hmm. So now I have completed all the things. So let's see the execution. Okay, one more thing. For this file, I will have to write one more thing. App root, that is a key that will redirect me, means actually index.html, where is the index.html, it is consisting, it contains app root selector, okay. So this selector contains app.component.html. So if you want to execute this file, so you will have to use this app root attribute, okay, sorry, not attribute, tab. So I will use this one. इसकी वजह से क्या होगा कि जो इंडेक्स फाइल से एसोसिएटेड है मेरा ऐप रूट, और ऐप रूट जो इंडेक्स फाइल के साथ एसोसिएटेड है, तो ऐप रूट का जो भी कंपोनेंट है उसका कंटेंट एग्जीक्यूट होगा, और जो कंपोनेंट है उसके अंदर एक फाइल है app.component.html, मीन्स ऐप कंपोनेंट नाम कंपोनेंट है, उसका एग्जीक्यूशन हुआ किसकी मदद से, इसकी मदद से, ऐप रूट की मदद से, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे लिखने की मुझे जरूरत है नहीं इसकी, ठीक है, क्योंकि मेरे index.html में ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है, देखो ये रहा ना, index.html में ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है, तो मुझे जल्दी करने की जरूरत है नहीं, ठीक है। तो जैसे ही कॉल हुआ तो मेरा जो ऐप का कंटेंट है, ये वाला कंटेंट जो है एग्जीक्यूट होगा, ठीक है। That's it. So let's see the execution of this one. Okay, I didn't write anything. Let me write something to identify the changes. So I will go to first home.component.html, where is like this one. So yeah, this is my home page, and this is my contact page. Okay, and about component.html, and this is my about component, sorry, about page everything, component of the page to kushi. This is my about page, okay. So let's see, this is my home page, this is my about page, this is my about page. Contact us is not working, contact us is not working, let me check. contact us contact component origin. This is my contact page and contact page. So app.component.html, contact router link equals to contact. Okay. Hmm. सर कॉन्टैक्ट वन, यस, पाथ वॉज कॉन्टैक्ट वन है ना। तो मैं जाऊँगा कहाँ पे, एम्प्लॉय कंपोनेंट डॉट एचटीएमएल के पास। यहाँ मुझे कॉन्टैक्ट वन लिखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। मैंने पाथ का डिक्लेयर किया था, इस वजह से मेरा जो रिक्वायर्ड आउटपुट था वो नहीं आया था, डिजायर्ड आउटपुट, ठीक है। अब आएगा, मैं रिफ्रेश मार देते हैं। होम वर्क, दिस इज माई होम पेज। About work, this is my about page. Contact work, this is my contact page. So that's it. You can change. You can see when I am switching from one page to another page, my page is not loading. See this circle. It is not loading. It is not moving, right? Uh, Still, I am switching from one page to another page, right? See. So it is all about routing. See the changes. Okay, so I hope uh, you are very means you got everything whatever I delivered in this lecture. So that's it for today's last thing.